Here we have Grand Cru at the shipyard where she is getting her engines replaced, some other work done, and we have a fresh coat of bottom paint on her. Coming down the starboard side, we just see how nice this hull is. It's in good condition, and of course the bottom paint is still tacky today, not even dried. Here at the transom, we've got our trim tabs, underwater lights, and our props appear to be in good condition. Nice sharp edges. We're not going to spin them because the shafts are not connected at all at this point. From here, let's check out the engine space. Here we are aboard Grand Cru, and we see what the engine space looks like with no engines. There's 2 remanufactured blocks going in the next few days. We see the bilge is nice and clean, ready for the new engines. And here she is, Grand Cru, getting set for her maiden voyage. Here we have Grand Cru getting all set for her maiden voyage after the installation of 2 remanufactured engines. GoPro turn off.